Hello, my name is Ram. I'm a technical leader here in Cisco TAC within IoT. In this video, I will discuss the steps to onboard an industrial wireless access point, specifically IW9167, running in Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul, also known as CURWB mode, to the IoT Operations Dashboard. The first step would be ensuring your tenant has industrial wireless enabled as a service. If it is, you will see it on the left side where all the services are listed. Then click on Add Devices. Here we manually onboard the device using a CSV file. On this page, we select the correct product ID. In this example, it would be IW9167 EH-B and upload the CSV file listed with the serial number and the address. Click Open. Click on Add Devices. The CSV file has been successfully uploaded and the AP entry has been onboarded into IoT OD Dashboard. If you look closely, the AP is reported as offline under the status column. Now log in directly to IW9167 AP. Select IoT OD IW on the top left corner. The status is reported as offline because the AP is not communicating to the cloud dashboard yet. If you click on it further, here you have the option to configure it for online cloud managed parameter. Click Confirm. It takes a few seconds for the AP to get connected to the cloud dashboard. Once complete, you can see the status is connected and also the IoT OD IW as cloud managed. If we hop back to IoT OD, the status reflects here as well, showing it as online. There is a sign to synchronize the configuration. Also, there is a warning sign on the firmware version. If the AP's firmware version is old, it provides options to upgrade and get it synchronized with IoT OD. Here the firmware version is 17.12.15. And at this time of recording, the latest available is 17.13.0.109. But for the sake of this onboarding exercise, we will leave the AP at the current version. You can click on the device name to see the inventory details of the AP, the IP address, model, and the mode at which it's configured. Navigate further to configuration. You will see all the wireless and RF parameters listed to mimic the fields that are present on the AP directly. This completes onboarding of the IW9167 AP to the IoT OD dashboard. Thank you for watching.